How to use zebra pattern to show stripes on overexposed or underexposed areas in camera on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, at the bottom down here, change your camera mode to Pro mode. In Pro mode, tap on the exposure button at the top here. It's the one at the top corner right here. So tap on it to open up this panel at the bottom. From here, you select zebra pattern, then use the slider bar to change the IRE value of the pattern. And that's it. After that, you can make the necessary changes to avoid over or underexposure. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.